Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation provides a detailed troubleshooting guide for the diagnostic trouble codes DTC, P2719, P2720, and P2721 related to the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve D on the Honda Pilot model from 2016 to 2022. Understanding these DTCs is crucial for ensuring the optimal performance of the vehicle's transmission system. The AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve, D, manages hydraulic pressure and plays a vital role in the automatic transmission's functioning. If any of these DTCs are triggered, it indicates a problem primarily associated with the electrical circuit, specifically malfunctioning of the solenoid valve or wiring issues. This guide offers systematic troubleshooting steps that will aid in diagnosing and rectifying the identified problems, ensuring that the vehicle operates smoothly and reliably. The DTCs P2719, P2720, and P2721 all relate to the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve D, a crucial component in the vehicle's automatic transmission system. This solenoid valve controls the hydraulic pressure applied to the clutches, ensuring smooth engagement during gear shifts. Located within the transmission assembly, its performance impacts overall drivability, such as smooth shifting and overall transmission efficiency. The system is primarily electronic, meaning that faults are more likely to stem from wiring and electrical connections rather than mechanical wear parts within the transmission itself. The solenoid's electrical circuits can give everyone trouble, manifesting in various forms of failure codes. It's essential to understand precisely where this component is integrated within the broader transmission system to ensure thorough troubleshooting. The potential causes for these DTCs primarily revolve around electrical issues rather than mechanical failures. One common cause is an electrical circuit failure, where signals to and from the solenoid are interrupted, leading to poor performance. Open or shorted wires are a significant concern, such as breaks in the insulation or disconnections that would impact communication with the transmission control module, TCM. Additionally, a faulty solenoid valve itself may be the source of the problem, failing to regulate hydraulic pressure accurately. It is also crucial to note that when the TCM cannot receive or send correct data due to these issues, the vehicle displays these DTCs. Addressing these electrical concerns is the first step toward resolving operational problems associated with the automatic transmission. When DTCs P2719, P2720, or P2721 are triggered, several symptoms may manifest, affecting the vehicle's operability. One of the most significant indicators is poor shifting performance. You may notice lags or hesitations when the transmission shifts gears. Additionally, the transmission may slip, resulting in an inability to maintain speed or engage properly with the engine's power. This slipping occurs when the hydraulic pressure isn't properly regulated by the solenoid valve, due to the electrical problems outlined by these codes. Furthermore, you'll likely notice the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, signaling that the onboard diagnostic system has detected anomalies worth investigating. Recognizing these symptoms early on can help prevent long-term damage to the transmission. The first step in troubleshooting these DTCs involves verifying the problem and ensuring that the appropriate diagnostic tools are used. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode. This action powers up the vehicle's electronic systems without starting the engine, which is crucial for conducting diagnostics. Utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTCs from the computer's memory. Clearing these codes helps refresh the system and allows for real-time monitoring without previous errors clouding diagnostics. After clearing the codes, turn the vehicle to the off or lock mode to reset the system components. Subsequently, turn the vehicle back to the on position and allow the systems to initialize for several seconds. Finally, check the HDS once more for any pending or confirmed DTCs to assess whether the problem persists. In the second step of troubleshooting, the focus shifts to examining the wires that connect the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve, D, to the transmission control module, TCM. Start by turning the vehicle to the off or lock mode to ensure all electrical systems are inactive. Next, you need to disconnect the necessary connectors, the TCM subharness 26P connector and the TCM 58P connector. Once disconnected, you will engage in a continuity check between the designated test points, TCM subharness 26P connector number 4 and TCM 58P connector number 6, and also TCM subharness 26P connector number 7 with TCM 58P connector number 53. Making these checks while the vehicle is in off mode allows you to determine whether there is a break in the electrical circuit, which could be indicative of an open wire issue. This inspection is crucial as it verifies the integrity of the wires connecting the sensors to the TCM, potentially exposing faults contributing to the DTCs. The third troubleshooting step is crucial in isolating further electrical issues by conducting a shorted wire check. In this test, you will again start with the vehicle in the off or lock mode, ensuring all systems are inactive and safe for inspection. With the TCM subharness 26P connector and TCM 58P connector still disconnected, you will check continuity between specific test points and the vehicle's body ground. The test points to focus on are TCM 58P connector terminals number 6 and number 53. If you find continuity to ground, it indicates that there is a short circuit in the wiring connected to the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve D. This type of fault can lead to overheating or failure of the solenoid due to excessive current flow. If there is no continuity, it shows that the wires are intact, and the issue might require replacing the hydraulic control unit responsible for managing the transmission's hydraulic systems. Making these distinctions is vital for targeted repairs. After completing all necessary repairs based on the previous troubleshooting steps, the final verification stage is pivotal to ensure successful resolution of the DTCs. Start by performing a test drive to evaluate the vehicle's performance under normal driving conditions and observe shifting responses. Monitor the transmission closely to see if the symptoms previously noted, such as poor shifting quality or the check engine light, have been resolved. Post-drive, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, once again to check for the presence of the DTCs that were previously displayed. This step is critical as it offers a clearer picture of whether the problem has been fully rectified or if further investigation is necessary. Confirming the absence of DTCs post-repair solidifies confidence in the repair processes applied and ensures the vehicle is ready for reliable performance. Preventive maintenance is vital for preserving the integrity of the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve D and its associated electrical systems. Start by regularly inspecting the wiring harness that connects to the transmission for any signs of wear, fraying, or disconnections. Such inspections can catch potential problems before they progress into major system failures. Additionally, maintaining cleanliness at the electrical connections prevents corrosion, which could interfere with signal transmission and disrupt solenoid functionality. Periodic diagnostic checks with tools like the HDS can also serve as an early warning system for issues that may arise. These preventive measures not only enhance the longevity of the transmission components, but also ensure a reliable and smooth driving experience. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTCs P2719, P2720, and P2721 is crucial for maintaining the Honda Pilot's transmission system. Following a systematic troubleshooting approach can effectively isolate and address the root causes of these trouble codes. It's important to remember that the issues identified are often electrical in nature, allowing for targeted repairs and potentially reducing downtime. After repairs, implementing preventive maintenance measures will safeguard against recurring issues, ensuring the vehicle remains reliable for years to come. Comprehensive knowledge of these diagnostic codes enables technicians and owners alike to approach transmission health with knowledge and confidence, altogether enhancing the driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.